Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can leverage the SharePoint delete API. So in our last video, we have seen the get operation. If you have seen the last video, there we have grabbed all the items from a SharePoint list, right? And then we send an array of email as well. But now in this video, what I will do, I will see how I can delete using my SharePoint API. So I will create a flow. I can say manually trigger flow. I can create my flow here. I can give a name to my flow as say SharePoint delete. Alright. Now here I'll click on my new tab and I will search for my SharePoint action. And here I will leverage this particular action. Send an HTTP request to SharePoint. Okay. Now the first thing is that I need to select my site. So I'm going to leverage this particular SharePoint site where I'm currently logged in as well. This 109, M35. Yep, here we go. Then what action I can do? You have all these methods available, but currently I'm interested in delete operation. Okay. Now if you have seen my last video, okay, there I have provided this particular URI. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it here. Okay. Now here if you see, this will basically will fetch all the records. See, be very careful when you are using this delete. You need to have a proper URI of the SharePoint. But currently what I will do, I will try to delete only one record only. Okay, so if I'll go to my last flow run, and here if you see, let me go to apply to each here. Not exactly here. Just 1 second here. Yeah, parse JSON. Okay, now here what I can do, I can search for my ID, for example. What I'm trying to say, let me copy this only. I don't have any other option, I believe. Yeah, let me copy the body here, and then let me again open the beautify JSON here. And let me paste it. Okay, and here if you will search for my ID is 3. Okay, similarly if you see the ID 4 belongs to Rahul. Okay, assume I want to delete only Rahul record from this list. So what I can do here inside this item, I can say that I only want to delete Rahul's record. So what is the ID for Rahul? It's 4, right? So I need to simply put here ID. Okay, as soon as I put my ID here, my URI is completed. Okay, be very specific and careful while using this. Then inside our header we need to tell everything. For example, my content type, I can say this has my application. Let me make sure I'm not committing any spelling mistake here. And here I can say odata equals to verbose here, and here I can say if match, and I'm going to provide here asterisk, and let me provide asterisk here. Okay, here I can provide my asterisk, and here I can tell that this HTTP method delete. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let me run this flow. Let me save and test it out. Okay, so this is saving. And now if this will run successfully, I should only see one record here and the Rahul record should be deleted from here. I can test it and continue, run my flow. Okay, it's done. So I'll refresh this page. And now here you can see the second record, that is the Rahul's record, is deleted from here. Okay, and if I click on done here, so that I will get the history, I will show you there as well. Okay, and yeah, so here you can see it basically search for that particular record only, and then it basically deleted that particular record. So this is how you can use the delete HTTP requests in SharePoint, especially in Power Automate. Thank you for watching this video.